Shotaro Kaneda's Akira bike. Shotaro Kaneda's iconic bike from the anime Akira roars to life, thanks to the Barcelona-based creative studio, Bell & Bell. They've reimagined this legendary ride as a real, functional motorcycle, complete with all the neon-lit flair of the original. The bike features bright neon light tires and a split-open body, finished in that vibrant, unmistakable red that defines Kaneda's ride. Staying true to the anime, Bell & Bell included a range of familiar decals, like those from Canon, Citizen, and Arai, as well as the United States Air Force insignia, adding authenticity to this stunning replica. Before Bell & Bell's recreation, concept artist Ryan Hong also gave his own spin on Kaneda's bike, imagining it ablaze in a fierce red. This real-world version of Kaneda's bike captures the spirit and style of Akira, making it a dream come true for fans everywhere. Acura Allure. Meet the Acura Allure. A car that combines the thrill of a sports vehicle with the comfort of a living room. This innovative concept offers two unique driving modes, Engage and Lounge. In Engage mode, the Allure transforms into a single-seat supercar with an hourglass shape, kinetic surface technology, and a transparent exterior. This mode offers the driver a deep, immersive connection with the vehicle, making each drive a thrilling experience. Switch to Lounge mode, and the Allure becomes a fully autonomous vehicle. It opens up a spacious rear seat area, internal displays, and controls for ultimate relaxation. With its broad rear end, passengers can sit back, enjoy entertainment, and connect with others, perfect for the future of shared transportation, where experiences matter more than possessions. The Acura Allure offers a glimpse into a future where travel is about both connection and comfort. And for those looking to own this groundbreaking vehicle, it could be yours for approximately $1.5 million. Jet Cycle Max, the future of water adventure. The Jet Cycle Max is a sleek, single-seat watercraft designed for smooth gliding on the water. Made from lightweight, high-performance carbon foils and advanced composite materials, it offers the perfect mix of strength and agility. Even at low speeds, the Jet Cycle Max effortlessly lifts off, making it easy and fun for anyone to use. With a comfortable, user-friendly design, it features an adjustable pedal system, a handy side handle for steering, and a lever to control both takeoff and foil height. The power adjusts to the rider's weight, so it's accessible for many users. At just 35 kilograms, it's ideal for anyone between 1.5 to 2 meters tall and weighing 40 to 100 kilograms. Built for calm waters, the Jet Cycle Max is proudly made in France, offering a thrilling and futuristic way to enjoy outdoor adventures. Aqua Marina Glow. Aqua Marina Glow. The world's first glowing stand-up paddleboard, specially designed to light up your paddling adventures from dusk till dawn. This innovative paddleboard comes with an ambient light system that creates a mesmerizing glow on the water, making nighttime paddles not just beautiful but also safer. The board features 6 different colors and 4 lighting modes to match your vibe. Want a steady, soothing light? Or maybe some lively disco-style flashing? The Aqua Marina Glow has it all. With a length of 10 feet 4 inches and a width of 31 inches, it provides a stable and spacious ride, comfortably supporting paddlers up to 140 kilograms. Plus, it's powered by a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 5 hours, so you can keep the party going well into the night. Although the base package doesn't include a paddle, you can easily upgrade to a high-quality Aqua Marina Pastel paddle to complete your setup. So, if you're ready for a truly unique paddling experience, the Aqua Marina Glow might just be the perfect board for you. SkyWay Technology. SkyWay is a revolutionary transportation solution designed with impressive advantages. Its unique vehicles glide above the ground on specially designed rail string overpasses, creating an efficient and futuristic travel experience. This elevated design isn't just about looks, it optimizes aerodynamics and increases speed, while offering an impressive level of safety. By using space efficiently, SkyWay promotes the smart use of land and resources, making it an ideal option for both urban and rural areas. One of SkyWay's biggest strengths is its minimal environmental impact. It provides a sustainable choice for both cargo and passenger transport, aligning with a growing need for eco-friendly solutions. With full-scale prototypes of tracks and rolling stock already successfully implemented, SkyWay has proven the practicality and efficiency of its technology. This multi-level solution has the potential to transform the transportation sector, making travel easier, safer, and more comfortable for everyone. Renault Claire Garbage Truck, a futuristic waste solution. The Renault Claire garbage truck, designed by the Renault Design Academy in Russia, is a futuristic self-driving vehicle aimed at revolutionizing waste management in suburban and rural areas. Inspired by Renault's classic trucks, it combines modern technology and eco-conscious features. The Claire truck carries 40 robotic garbage bins in a modular container system. These bins are equipped with germ-killing lights to ensure cleanliness. Its innovative design includes 2 connected driving modules that allow the truck to lift and transport waste all by itself. One of its standout features is the transparent OLED roof, which not only looks sleek but also includes light bars and a solar panel for energy efficiency. The Claire showcases cutting-edge design while addressing important environmental concerns, making waste collection smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. Arcimoto Cybertrike. Introducing the Arcimoto Cybertrike, an innovative electric vehicle that blends the features of an e-bike and a tricycle. This mid-level version of Arcimoto's mean lean machine comes equipped with 3-wheel drive, thanks to 3 independent motors. The Cybertrike boasts improved suspension and carbon fiber wheels, enhancing both performance and durability. It uses a drive-by-wire system, where the pedals activate a generator, providing a smooth and efficient ride. Arcimoto plans to launch this exciting vehicle by the end of the year. With a range of over 200 miles, it promises to redefine your travel experience. Get ready to welcome the future with the Arcimoto Cybertrike. Capatn Vaiaro. Introducing Capatn Vaiaro, a visionary project designed to reshape urban waterborne transportation. Developed by the Capatn Initiative in collaboration with Mathesius University of Fine Arts and Design, this autonomous electric ferry is set to link the western and eastern shores of the Kiel Fjord in Germany. Capatn Vaiaro features 2 innovative concepts: floating platform and passage. Both are focused on intelligent mobility and sustainable design. Powered by electricity from renewable sources, this ferry promises quiet, emission-free travel, providing a truly eco-friendly alternative to traditional water transport. With seamless integration into local bus services, Capatn Vaiaro aims to offer a clean, efficient, and appealing solution for urban waterway transport. It's a revolutionary step toward making city travel more sustainable and accessible for all. Lazzarini Pangios, the floating city of the future. The Lazzarini Pangios is an incredible concept, a massive floating city designed to host up to 60,000 people while cruising the ocean. Modeled after the ancient supercontinent, Pangaea, this giant, turtle-shaped ship is 550 meters long and 610 meters wide, making it the largest floating structure ever imagined. This floating city has everything you'd expect: hotels, shopping centers, parks, and even ports for both ships and aircraft. The vessel's hull is divided into 9 sections, ensuring it remains unsinkable. It's also built to support flying vehicles that can take off and land right on top of the ship. Powered by 9 electric engines and solar panels, the Pangios can cruise forever at a relaxed pace of 5 knots, all while being completely emission-free. Sustainability is key, with the design featuring a special construction facility called a Terra Shipyard, built to focus on eco-friendly technologies. The Lazzarini Pangios is more than just a ship. It's a vision of future living on the sea, combining luxury, innovation, and a commitment to a greener planet. Céleste Zephalto. Step into the future of travel with Céleste, an extraordinary offering by the French aerospace company, Zephalto. Imagine rising to an altitude of over 82,000 feet, or about 25 kilometers above Earth, in a pressurized capsule lifted by a stratospheric balloon. This once-in-a-lifetime journey offers breathtaking views, with a panoramic range of 1,400 kilometers visible through 3-meter-wide windows. The capsule is thoughtfully designed with 3 private cabins, each creating an intimate cocoon for 2, offering ultimate privacy and comfort. As a passenger, you become a pioneer of stratospheric travel, experiencing a historic journey unlike any other. The full experience includes a 1.5-hour ascent, 3 peaceful hours in the stratosphere, and a 1.5-hour descent back to Earth. Expected to launch by the end of 2024, Céleste offers the unique opportunity to witness the curvature of the Earth and experience the overview effect, a transformative moment that changes one's perspective of our planet. The Dukan Loft Penthouse. Introducing the Dukan Loft Penthouse, it's not just any tent. This is a 2-story structure that combines comfort, convenience, and luxury, all in one. Unlike traditional tents that often feel cramped and basic, the Dukan feels more like a luxurious loft or penthouse, providing an elevated camping experience. It features awnings for shade and built-in hammocks, giving you a much more relaxed and enjoyable time outdoors. One of its standout features is how easy it is to set up. You can assemble the entire structure by yourself in just 15 minutes, no need for complicated instructions or extra help. It's designed to comfortably fit up to 4 people and has universal supports, making it versatile enough for various terrains, whether you're camping in the snow or setting it up over shallow water. The frame is impressively sturdy, supporting up to 300 kilograms, which adds to its durability and reliability. Additionally, the hammocks and frame can be used separately, offering more flexibility in how you want to enjoy your camping trip. Now, the only downside here is the price. Even with a discount, the Dukan Loft Penthouse comes in at $2,750. But for those who value luxury, convenience, and versatility in the great outdoors, it might just be worth the investment. Check it out now on Kickstarter. Food delivery system. Forget waiting for a server. Sushi conveyor belts, or sushi trains, offer a fun, futuristic dining experience. Imagine a mini train track running around the restaurant, but instead of trains, it's loaded with plates of fresh sushi. As each dish glides by, you simply grab whatever catches your eye. It's like a magical sushi buffet on wheels. This conveyor belt system keeps things moving, making dining quick and interactive. You're in control of the pace, and in some spots, touchscreen menus allow you to order specific dishes that arrive right at your table on the conveyor. Perfect for sushi lovers and efficient for restaurant managers, this setup makes dining exciting and convenient. So next time you're craving sushi, hop on board the sushi train for a deliciously entertaining experience. Invisible Sheet 2.0. Introducing the Invisible Shield 2.0. This cutting-edge technology from the UK uses precision-engineered lenses to redirect light, making anything behind it invisible. It's compact, collapsible, and available in 3 sizes. The largest version, called the Mega Shield, can conceal multiple people at once. Each unit is waterproof, battery-free, and made from 100% recyclable materials. You can pre-order these innovative shields on Kickstarter, starting at just around $69. This isn't just a fun gadget, it's a glimpse into the future. Imagine having a real working invisibility shield that you can roll up and carry with you. Step into the future with the Invisible Shield 2.0. Kitty Hawk Flyer. Meet the Kitty Hawk Flyer, a personal flying vehicle that brings the dream of accessible flight to life. With its ultralight design, this vehicle is ideal for recreational flying over water and open fields, offering a truly unique and thrilling experience. Its intuitive controls make the Flyer easy to operate, even for those with no aviation experience, no pilot's license required. Powered by multiple propellers, it provides smooth, stable, and quiet flights at low altitudes, all with safety and simplicity in mind. The Kitty Hawk Flyer opens up exciting possibilities for personal air mobility, representing a bold vision of a future where flying could become part of everyday life. It's a perfect blend of fun, innovation, and convenience, giving a glimpse into how we might soon take to the skies. Snowfeet Skates. Introducing Snowfeet Skates, a game-changer for winter sports enthusiasts. These skates combine the agility of ice skates with the versatility of skis, giving you a fresh way to enjoy the snow. Compact and lightweight, they easily strap onto any winter boots, making them perfect for skiing, snowboarding, or even winter hikes. Built from durable materials, Snowfeet Skates provide excellent control and maneuverability, allowing for quick turns and stops on packed snow. Their portability means you can take them anywhere, adding a unique and thrilling dimension to your winter adventures. While they come with a small learning curve, Snowfeet Skates promise an exciting new way to glide through the snow, perfect for anyone looking to elevate their winter experience. Fuel Flow. Introducing the Fuel Flow, an urban electric motorcycle that's built for power, performance, and convenience. Priced at $10,495, this innovative ride is perfect for city commuters looking for both speed and range. With a range of over 150 miles, the Flow's 10 kilowatt-hour battery ensures long commutes are no problem. And its impressive 750 Newton-meters of torque, combined with a 35 kilowatt motor, gives you a thrilling riding experience. The Flow can reach speeds of over 85 miles per hour and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Perfect for those quick accelerations in busy city traffic. Charging is fast and convenient, too. You can fully charge the bike in under 30 minutes, making it ideal for riders with a busy schedule. Now, let's talk safety. The Flow is packed with features like blind spot detection, intelligent ABS, and traction control. These ensure a safer, smoother ride even in unpredictable traffic. A connected dashboard keeps you informed while riding, and the innovative wheel motor design optimizes both weight distribution and performance. One standout feature is the advanced regenerative braking system. This helps recharge the battery as you ride, extending your range and efficiency. You'll also appreciate the 50 liters of integrated storage, perfect for storing your gear or essentials. The Fuel Flow offers two riding modes: urban for daily commuting and audacious for when you want a little extra power. In short, the Fuel Flow is a great balance of speed, safety, and convenience, making it a smart choice for modern city riders.